Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy. So let's dive straight into today's content. Actually, if you start here on Crypto Bubbles, you can see all coins are deep in the red. Jasmy coin is also more than 12% in the red, so it dumped just today to the down here nearly 15%. Actually, that is not quite good, but you will later see that it's maybe not as bad as it might seem right now. So let's start to check the chart here on the 4-hourly. The 4-hourly, you can see here is a downtrend, and in my last video I told you that it's quite possible that it will get a rejection from this 0.5 Fibonacci level. And in this case, I expect a retest from this neckline here. So right now it's actually right on the way to retest this level. If we do a Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low to this swing high, then look at this. Right now, it came perfectly to this golden pocket here, and you have on the downside a long wick. Look how it's fighting right now. So it's really fighting. So on the downside is a long wick. That means that there's a reaction on this specific level here. So hopefully this level will hold, and then we will see a retest from the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So if this is not successful or this level will not hold, the next one is here at the 786 Fibonacci level, and it's directly on this neckline from the downtrend line. So right now you have again two scenarios. The bearish one, this level will break, it will not hold. We see us again here at a retest from this one. A bullish one is that it will break through this level and also comes to this downtrend line here above. Actually, that would be, let's say, 50-60% pump. If we see a break from this level, it would be a 10%, 11% dump. So if we zoom out and look on the daily chart, so let's make here where is it here? Fixed range volume profile. Maybe let's look at this level. So here you can see at this level it was getting a rejection on the daily candle, and that was actually the highest volume profile at 0.0256. So the next bigger volume profile will come in at 0.004. 0.0204. So that would also be a good confluence with this downtrend neckline. Also, we have here on the downside pretty good support. Here it was good support. Here it was good support. Formed here a kind of a double bottom. And so after this, a good breakout. But right now, this level definitely must hold to see a clear uptrend. So here you have a uptrend line. Here is a downtrend line. So this level must hold, and we have to come over this level. I showed you before to see a real big picture that this potentially could be a huge cup and handle pattern. So this is the cup, and here you maybe a handle can perform. But we have to push around 1000% that it will come to this level 0.24 to see if this could definitely be a cup and handle pattern and if it really will play out. If it will play out, I showed you in my last videos a potential price target of 0.473, and that would be a potential pump of 2000%. I mean, that is all in the future, that it will not happen tomorrow or in the next week. So this actually started last year in November. So it's actually around 6 months already forming. So maybe we need another 3 to 6 months that we will definitely see if this pattern will play out. So, but if you look on the smaller time frame, you know the levels to watch out. So this golden pocket has to hold. If not, we see us here. But if it will hold, the next stop and target would be here, just for the day traders. So, thank you very much for watching. If you like this content, leave a thumbs up. And if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me and support me. I really appreciate everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And as always, this is no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out, guys and ladies.